Example 9, I'm given a discrete frequency distribution. So I have the frequency column. So if mean or formula is sigma fi xi divided by sigma fi, and this is my formula for variance. My fi gets included, frequency. Okay. So what all columns do you need? Please watch my previous videos on how to calculate the mean, median, mean deviation and all that. So you'll find the calculations to be very, very easy. You know what I'm doing. Okay. So enala columns we know. I need fi xi to find the mean, and sigma fi I can simply get when I add these. Okay. So but this is done to find the mean. Let me find that first. So fi xi, 4 3s are 12, 8 5s are 40, 99, 17 into 5, 7 5s are 35, 3, 5 1s are 5, 6 7 8. Then 4 2s are 8, 80, 4 3s are 12, 1 3 2s are 6, 7, then 32. So I need to add this also. So what do I get? 2 plus 9 11, 11 plus 5 16, 17 18, 19 20. 2 carry over, 2 3, 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 4, 7 plus 9 is 16, 16 plus 8 24, 24 plus 8 32, 32 plus 7 39, 39 40 41 42. So 420, 420. Okay. Then sigma fi is 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 7 17, 17 plus 5 22, 26, 27 28 29 30. Okay, this is my sigma fi. இப்போ mean கண்டுபிடிக்கலாமா? X bar is sigma fi xi divided by sigma fi, which will be 420 divided by 30. 0 0 gets cancelled. 3 1s are, 3 4s are. So my mean is 14. So what other columns do I need? First I need xi minus x bar. Then I need to square it. So xi minus x bar the whole square. Then I need to multiply it with fi. So fi times xi minus x bar the whole square. Okay, so just one added column because you're squaring. Previous idhula you only had modulus, so simply you can just neglect the negative value. Ipo what is my x bar? 14. So xi minus x bar. Keep your hands in the respective columns so that you don't mix up the columns. So 4 minus 14 is minus 10. 8 minus 14 minus 6. 11 minus 14 minus 3. 17 minus 14 3. 20 minus 14 6. 24 minus 14 10. 32 minus 14 is 18. Okay. இப்போ இத வந்து ஸ்கொயர் பண்ணனும். So what is minus 10 the whole square? 100. 6 square 36. 3 square 9. 3 square 9. 6 square 36. 10 square 100. 18 square. What is my 18 square? 8 8s are 64. 6 14 8 1. So 4 2 3. 3 24 is my 18 square. Now I need to multiply each and every row with the respective fi. So 3 into 100 300. 5 into 36. 6 5s are 30, 3 5 3s are 15, 16, 17, 18. Then 9 9s are 81, 5 9s are 45, 4 into 36, 6 4s are 24, 2 4 3s are 12, 13, 14. Then 3 into 100 again, 300. Then 1 into 324 is 324. Okay, now let's add this. இதெல்லாம் add பண்ணிட்டு I have to simply substitute it in the formula. So what do I have? 0 0 1 5 6 6 plus 4 10 10 plus 4 14. 1 carry over, 1 9 9 plus 8 17, 17 plus 4 is 21, 21 plus 4 25, 26 27. 2 carry over, 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. So 1 3 7 4 is my numerator. So simply substitute it in the formula. Sigma square is 1374 divided by sigma fi, which is 30. So இப்போ 3 table la poguma, 3 10s are, 3 4s are 12, 1 3 5s are 15, 2 3 8s are 24. So divided by 10 panna 458 divided by 10, the decimal place moves one place to the left. So I have 45.8. This is my sigma square. I need to find my standard deviation. So standard deviation is simply sigma, which is square root of 45.8. Square root of 45.8, and let me do it here. 45.8. So these two, 0, 0, these two, and I can include 2 more zeros. Okay, you know how to find the square root, right? So I have 45.8. இத்தனை 0, decimal placeக்கு முன்னாடி 2, இங்க 2, இங்க 2. Okay, so this is 7 7s are, so 6 6 are 36. This will be 980.62s are 12. Which table? 8 8 8 8s are 64. 6 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 6 22 2 வராது. So I can do 127 into 27. Okay, 127 into 7. So 7 7s are 49, 4 7 2s are 14, 15 16 17 18, 1 7 1s are 7 8. So this will be 7 1 8 17, 17 minus 8 is 9. So 9 1 0. Then 67 2s are 134. 134 now I can probably try 7 times. So 7 7s are 49, 4 7s are 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. 3, 7 3s are 21, 22, 23, 24. 2, 7 1s are 7, 8, 9. Okay, so basically it will be 1, 3, 4, 6 times 6. So you need not calculate this. So I have 6.76 approximately. So this is my standard deviation. Okay. So moving on to example 10, I am given a continuous frequency distribution. So I need to find my xi first. So xi, adukaprom enna venum? I need fi xi to find the mean. Then I need my xi minus x bar, adha square pananum. So I need xi minus x bar the whole square. Then I need to multiply that with fi. So fi into xi minus x bar the whole square. Okay, so these are the columns that you need. Xi in maximum value plus minimum value divided by 2. So 40 plus 30 divided by 2, 35. 50 plus 40 divided by 2 is 45. So you got the pattern 55, 65, 75, 85 and 95. If fi xi I need to multiply these two. So 5 3s are 15, 1 3 3s are 9, 105. 7 5s are 35, 3 7 4s are 28, 29, 30, 31. Then 55 into 12. So 5 2s are 10, 1 5 2s are 10, 11, 5, 5. So 6, 60. Then I have 65 into 15. 65 into 15 and 65 into 15. 5 5s are 25, 2 6 5s are 30, 32, 65. So 5, 7, 9. 9, 75. Then I have 8 into 75. So 8 5s are 40, 4 8 7s are 56, so 60. Then I have 5 3s are 15, 1 8 3s are 24, 25. High 2s are 10, 1 9 2s are 18, 90. Okay, so these are my values. To find the mean, I need my sum of fi xi. So, you calculate pannalama. The sum of this is 50. Okay, you do the calculation. 5, 10, 15, 20. 2 carry over. 2, 3, 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. 16 plus 5, 21. 21 plus 9 is 30. 3 carry over. 3, 4, 7. 7 plus 6, 13. 13 plus 9, 22. 22 plus 6, 28. 29, 30, 31. So, 3, 1, 0, 0. So, what is my mean? X bar is sigma fi xi divided by sigma fi. So 0 0 cancel I know. 5 6 are 30, 5 2s are. So this is 62. If xi minus x bar in 35 minus 62. What is 35 minus 62? So it is 27. So I have minus 27. Then xi in 45. 45 and 62. So 62 and 45. So it will be 7 1, 17. So it is minus 17. 55 minus 62 will be 7. 65 minus 62, 3. 75 minus 62, 13. 85 minus 62, 23. 95 minus 62 is 43. Sorry, 33. Okay, so this is my xi minus x bar. If xi minus x bar the whole square in 27 into 27. 7 7s are 49, 1 7 2s are 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 7 2s are 14, 1 2 2s are 4, 5. So I have 9, 12, 1, 5, 6, 7. 7, 29. 17 into 17 and 7 7s are 49, 4 7s are 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 7, 1. So 9, 8, 2. 2, 89. Adukapra 7 square is 49, 3 square is 9, 13 square is 169, 23 square, 23 into 23. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4. So 9, 12, 1, 5. 5, 29, then 33 into 33. 33 into 33, 3 3s are 9, 9, 9, 9. So 9, 18, 1, 1, 0, 8, 9. So xi minus x bar, the whole square kandupidichachu. Now I need to multiply it with fi. So what is fi? This one, these two columns. So 9 3s are 27, 2 3 2s are 6, 7, 8, 7 3s are 21. Then 9 7s are 63, 6 carry over, 8 7s are 56, 62. 6 carry over, 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 6 is 20. Then 12 into 49. So 49 into 12, 9 2s are 18, 1 4 2s are 8, 9, 9, 4. So it will be 8, 18, 1, 5. So 5, 88. And 15 into 3, sorry, 15 into 9. Okay, you have to multiply it with this column. So 9 5s are 45, 4, 9 1s are 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Then 9 8s are 72, 7 carry over, 8 6 are 48, 48 plus 7 is 55. 5 carry over, 8 1s are 8 plus 5 is 13. 1 3 5 2. Then 9 3s are 27, 2 3 2s are 6, 7, 8, 5 3s are 15. Then 9 2s are 18, 1, 8 2s are 16, 17, 1, 2 1s are 2, sorry, 1, then 2 1s are 2. So, இப்போ இந்த values எல்லாம் add பண்ணா 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 8, 18, 18 plus 5 is 23, 24, 25, 25 plus 7 is 32, 32 plus 8 is 40, 4 carry over, 4 plus 8, 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 14 plus 8 is 22, 25, 30, 38, 38 plus 7 is 38 plus 7 is 45. So 4 carry over, 4, 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 1, 11, 11 plus 3, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 2 carry over, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10050. இப்போ simply formula substitute பண்ண வேண்டியதான். So my sigma square is sigma fi(xi) the whole square, which is this. So 10050 divided by sigma fi. What is my sigma fi? 50. It's very, very easy to calculate. 5 2s are 10, 0, 5 1s are 5. So 201 is my sigma square. What is my sigma? Sigma is my square root of 201, which will be square root of 201 panna 201.00. இப்படி split பண்ணுவோம். Correct? So I have 1 1s are 1, then 101. In that it will become 2. So I'll have 2 6 6. So 6 6 are 36, 3 6 2s are 12, 13, 14, 15 வராது. Let me try 4. 4 4s are 16, 1 4 2s are 8, 9. So this will be 5 0 0. In that point வந்துரும் 28. So I'll try 2. So 2 2s are 4, 8 2s are 16, 1 2 2s are 4, 5. அப்போ 283 தான் வரும். Sorry, 281. So 14.1. Okay.